guys, this time I really f***ed up. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn this simple cardboard box into a very impressive Michael Myers knife. And... one second. Yeah, am I heard? What do you mean there is a scary man in front of the building? That's weird. So first find a sizable piece of cardboard that is about 5 mm thick and draw the overall shape of the knife on it. To do so you can use the free templates linked in the description box below or just draw your own design. Well, let's see now. I don't see... What the f***? Okay, I'm calling the police. Meredith? Meredith, can you hear me? Oh no. I have to hide, guys. Now carefully cut out the blade using a precision knife, a box cutter or a very sharp scissor. Oh, and by the way, you can find all the tools and products that I use in this tutorial in the video description. Next, draw an additional line on the front of the blade. Use your precision knife to slightly open it and crush the front part with your fingers to create a thinner, sharper appearance. Okay. Next, use the blade as a template to cut out 2 more handles and glue these on each side using white glue or any type of PVA glue. Finished look, mix white glue and water, tear up pieces of a grey paper similar to what you receive in your Amazon deliveries and apply them all over the blade. Shit! For the handle, round the sharp edges by crushing them and apply brown pepper. While grey pepper for the blade and brown pepper for the handle give it a finished look, you can of course use any type of color pepper for painting. I think I lost him. Okay, now the next step is to create a mix of white glue, acrylic paint and baby talc. If you don't have baby talc, use starch powder instead. Use 1 part of white glue, 2 parts of acrylic paint and 1 part of baby talc. Alternatively, you can buy this mix on Amazon if you don't want to make yours. Find the link in the description box below as well. Spread the mixture evenly over the entire knife. Once it's dry, set all surfaces with some pepper. So to paint the blade, I use silver paint from Valero and an airbrush. You can also use any spray can of your choice, like this one from Generate, for a good chrome effect. I think it's gone. For the handle, use acrylic matte black paint. I used one from Pebeo. I'm almost home. Okay, so next, from a thin cardboard like cereal boxes, Amazon envelopes or tissue boxes, cut 3 small circles, cover them with modeling paste, paint them in chrome and glue them on the side of the handle, and do the same for the opposite side. Home, sweet home. So, to add a realistic touch, wither it by applying matte acrylic black paint and remove the excess with a tissue or some toilet paper. Oh, I'm just glad you're okay. Yeah, I was worried when your phone cut off. Yeah, no, he was after me all day. I even had to hide in the river. But we're fine now. I'm sure he's far away by now. Okay, see you tomorrow then. Bye. Phew, was a tough one, isn't it? Now click this video right here to learn how to make a huge Jason Voorhees machete using the same techniques I used to make this knife. And also, don't forget... He's behind me, isn't he? Thank you for watching. Subscribe. You know the rest. So that's it? All you wanted is your knife? You couldn't have said that earlier.